Hi guys, it's Primrose, and today I have um, a few additions to my house plants, and they have been living outside in my landing area, just to be on the safe side. I do not want to bring in plants that are infected with bugs or insects, and I know that everyone who has a houseplant collection is doing that preventative um, measures, because there is a great risk that the bugs could spread out into the other house plants as well. So let's go ahead and see all of these beauties here. So this is a begonia. I love the colorations and the patterns, and the undersides of the leaves is looking beautiful as well. It's looking a bit sparse. I might need to pinch off that top growth to encourage the plant to produce more side shoots to make it look a bit fuller. So this is from my local garden center, and look at these guys. I love the pattern on the leaves. It reminds me of a banana tree, and the leaves are huge. So most of the calatheas that I have seen, the undersides of the leaves are purple, but this one is just light green with some stripes, and it feels velvety to the touch. So I have killed a handful of calatheas last year. So through that experience, I'm hoping that I will be able to grow them better this year. And I really love calatheas, but they're such a finicky plant to grow, and they don't like tap water. So I collected some rainwater for this plant, and it's currently on top of the gravel just to add humidity. And then I have, so this is from my local garden center as well, and I have this tiny succulent. I like the tin that it's in as well. So this is from IKEA. It's a Haworthia limifolia, and it's pushing out two new tiny plants in there. And then the very last one is this huge dendrobium. Oh gosh, why did I call it dendrobium? It's a philodendron. Dendrobium is an orchid, so I get confused. Sorry. I have to clean the leaves. They're very dusty. It needs a good cleaning. And the new leaf is very shiny. So it's huge. And I got this from IKEA as well for 15 pounds. So this is one of a few plants that I purchased above 10 pounds. I usually go for smaller plants, that way they're cheaper, and I just enjoy the process of seeing them grow and thrive in my care. But in this case, I think you could not get a philodendron really cheap, and they're not available as a small plant. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, the new additions, and you take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching.